see here on this slide that I have on my screen, you could see risk areas and areas that are above normal for risk and near normal for risk. Areas that are above normal risking for hurricanes are New York, Miami, New Orleans, Houston, Mexico, Belize, Nicaragua, Honduras, Costa Rica, Cuba, Jamaica, the Bahamas, and all the other islands that are surrounded that area. Those are risk areas that are above normal, which means that they're likely to see a landfall this year, because that means that they're not usually that risky, but this year there's a high possibility that a storm may make landfall anywhere in the area shaded in red. Near normal areas are shaded within yellow, and that's Mexico, between Mexico and the Yucatan Peninsula, Puerto Rico, Haiti, and the Lesser Antilles, and anywhere north of New York. Why that is near normal for risk is because it's not normal. The risks are usually higher, but they're gonna get there as we go into the season. As we get closer to the hurricane season, these areas that are in red could be in pink, which we know is very dangerous. And these areas that are in yellow could be in red. No area on this map is shaded below normal. No area, which that tells me that we're going to have a very strong hurricane season. You guys in Belize, Cuba, and Houston, Miami, New Orleans, New York need to watch every single storm track, because they could head it anywhere in the areas that are shaded in red. Your risks are very high, and those will increase as we creep deeper into the hurricane season. We're not even in the season yet, and you guys are above normal. I'm gonna say this: I live in Belize, and my area is shaded in red, and I will take precautionary measures, and I will pay attention to all of the storm tracks, and I will pay attention to how they're going, because here in Belize we rarely see landfall, but last year we saw landfall, and that was Hurricane Nana, and it wasn't that strong. But we did get a lot of flooding because of the two Category 5 hurricanes, which was Iota and Eta. And both of them made landfall in the same place, which was Honduras. You guys in New Orleans, you missed it by the tip of your tail. Hurricane Lara, same thing with Houston. Hurricane Lara was headed towards you guys' area as a Category 5. Lara wasn't nothing to mess with. You guys saw a lot of lots of landfall in New Orleans, and lots of track pointing to you, which tells me that you're going to see more in this season. Bahamas the same, Cuba the same. And if you look on the model Guardians, and you could see that the models are trying to say something to us that most of us are not seeing. it's trying to show a storm developing in the Caribbean and moving north, which means it could be headed towards the Gulf or Central America, Yucatan Peninsula, Belize, anywhere in that area. It could be headed if it farms, because I'm not really sure if it's gonna farm. Just pay attention to the latest warnings and tracks from the National Hurricane Center, and you will be safe if you listen to those. Because the National Hurricane Center is wrong sometimes, but 95% of the time their tracks are correct, which means that their tracks and warnings are very accurate. So this is going to be the end of my hurricane forecast, and I would like for you guys to like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and see you in the next one.